Fungus Gnats be-gone. I found your kryptonite. You're out of here. I found your kryptonite. Kryptonite. Fungus Gnats gone. Yeah, this is it. I kid you not. This got rid of my fungus gnats and my aphids practically overnight. Practically overnight. Like, I don't know. This stuff works wonders. I wish I would have known about this, years ago before I threw out like just all my plants. I just got rid of everything. So, yeah, this is it. I've heard about some other good stuff that I can let you know about, but right now, this does both aphids and fungus gnats, and I'm gonna show you what these little sticky cards used to look like. That's what it looks like, right? This thing was just working non-stop. Back here on the cutter, look at it. Look at what it was doing on the cutter. So now that I've treated this entire area and I got all of my, obviously you have to wash the surfaces down too. I got all of my plants out, and I am going to move these plants into a new area and replace these cards to see how well these are done. But yeah, this is crazy. Just way too much. So this might be a little much, but fungus gnats be gone. I found your kryptonite. You're out of here. I found your kryptonite. Kryptonite. Fungus gnats gone. 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 I don't want to see you again. Ever, 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 ever. I don't. Let me tell you something that's a little weird. So I look at my lawn and I have way too many 4-leaf clovers, right? I have way too many, right? See these little, actually these are 3-leaf clovers. Maybe it's different, I don't know. So I go on the internet and try and find something to get rid of the 4-leaf clovers, and apparently people are planting seeds for these 4-leaf clovers. Like, they want them. They want to add them to their lawn. Like, I don't get it. Scott's actually makes a product to add 4-leaf clovers to your lawn. That's all, just fun fact. All right, so let's get to it. Strawberries. Like I said, I think this is kiwi. Verdict's still out. I don't know what that is. This is this last year. Either you put up or you're gonna shut up. This raspberry didn't do that well this year. I got some raspberries, but not a ton. This is the habanero from inside. I'll probably put this one back inside. There used to be a plant over here, I took those out. Like I said, that one's probably going back inside. This is our mint container. This was my mint from last year. I just planted both of these because I think this is my chocolate mint over here. Yeah, so I just planted both of these. I think I'm gonna put some of that in my coffee. And lemon balm. So this is last year's lemon balm, and this is the one I just planted. Look how quickly it's grown. So actually, what I'd love to do is to have a flower bed just for the lemon balm and the mint, so they can just go and just multiply. And I mean like a pretty large flower bed, so every year, they're perennials, so they'll just come back every year, and I want to give it its own space. So that's the plan with that. All right, let's keep moving. Today is a mow the lawn day. So my neighbor had some grass that he was throwing away. And basically I didn't really need the grass, but I needed something to fill this area because it was just rock. So I added a little bit of topsoil on top, and then I put these little grass pieces over here. If I want to, I'll cover it with some more soil and add some more grass seeds, but it's actually working. Doesn't look too badly. I mean, the fact that it's green means that it's growing. See, it's kind of stuck there. Not bad. Oh, what else do we have to do besides mow the lawn? Besides move these trees? What else? All right, I'm back here to show the progress on the existing outdoor bed. Ooh. So jalapeno, cayenne thin, jalapeno again, jalapeno. That's a reaper. This okra is not behaving, so I'm probably going to, I need to stake that a little better. What are you, my friend? That is a reaper. That's doing well. The habanero. And this is a little dry. I need to set up some type of irrigation over here, because this doesn't have a reservoir like my wicking containers, the self-watering containers. This needs water, but so far so good. Collards and habanero way in the back. I got 2 spots over there. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Then we get a closer look over here. This is the project I'm avoiding. Pulling off all these rocks, moving away from the door, so when it's time to replace this door, I'll have enough clearance. Making the wall look nice. Put a couple of raised garden beds over here. Then put 2 smaller climbing plants in here and let it climb up on this fence this way, climb up that way. Like, that is the plan. But if I mean, you talk about projects. I got projects. I got so many projects that my main project right now is just to have a cup of coffee and chill, because they're just going to be waiting for me.